Hello everyone, here is a question based on limiting reagent. If 5 moles of barium chloride is mixed with 2 moles of sodium phosphate, the maximum number of moles of barium phosphate formed is how much? We have to find out the nearest integer. First let us balance the equation. We have barium chloride that is mixed with sodium phosphate and we are getting barium phosphate. We would also get NaCl, isn't it? Now on the product side we have 3 barium atoms, therefore I am multiplying barium chloride with 3. Now that is balanced. And then on the product side we have 2 phosphorus atoms, so therefore I am putting 2 in front of sodium phosphate. Now that is also balanced. Let's check the remaining thing. We have 6 chlorine atoms on the reactant side now, so therefore let's multiply NaCl with 6. So now that is balanced. We have 6 sodium atoms on the reactant side, 6 on the product side as well. How about oxygen? On the product side we have 8 oxygen atoms, and then on the reactant side too we have 8 oxygen atoms. So that is also balanced. Now how to write the stoichiometric moles? Number of moles of barium chloride divided by 3, because we have the stoichiometric coefficient 3, and number of moles of sodium phosphate divided by 2, that should be equated with the number of moles of barium phosphate divided by 1. Now the question is which one to equate. So for that we have to find out the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is equal to actual number of moles divided by stoichiometric coefficient, because we have 2 reactants, so therefore we need to decide which one is the smallest out of this. So here we have 5 moles of barium chloride divided by 3, so that is 1.66. Sodium phosphate we have 2 moles, stoichiometric coefficient is 2, so therefore this is equal to 1. So 1 is obviously less than 1.66. So therefore sodium phosphate is the limiting reagent here. So which means the stoichiometric moles of sodium phosphate must be equated with the stoichiometric moles of barium phosphate. So this means 2 by 2 will be equal to 1. So therefore we will have only 1 mole of barium phosphate. If we have 2 moles of sodium phosphate, the maximum number of moles of barium phosphate that we can get is only 1 mole. So therefore the correct answer here is 1.